Hello. I'm Sarah. In this lecture, we'll discuss the use of questionnaires in dry eye disease, DED. Understanding and using questionnaires to assess DED is essential for diagnosis and disease monitoring. They provide quantitative data about symptoms and their impact on patients' quality of life. Questionnaires usually categorize questions, making it easier for patients to answer accurately. Responses are typically given on a scale, where lower scores indicate mild discomfort or infrequent symptoms, and higher scores reflect greater discomfort or more frequent occurrences. Each questionnaire is accompanied by a guide that helps interpret the results. One group of questions refers to symptoms such as burning sensation, which patients are asked to rate according to intensity and frequency. Another group focuses on how DED symptoms affect daily activities, like work performance. A third group evaluates factors that worsen symptoms, such as wind or dust exposure. Several questionnaires are used to assess DED, including Ocular Surface Disease Index, OSDI, Dry Eye-Related Quality of Life Score, DEQS, Standard Patient Evaluation of Eye Dryness, SPEED, and 5-Item Dry Eye Questionnaire, DEQ5. These tools measure symptoms, quality of life, and disease frequency. The Ocular Surface Disease Index, OSDI, questionnaire consists of 3 sections: eye discomfort experienced in the past week, difficulty in performing daily activities in the past week, and discomfort under specific environmental conditions in the past week. Responses are rated on a 0 to 4 scale, with higher scores indicating greater symptom severity. The OSDI score analysis converts the patient's total score into a corresponding severity level of dry eye disease using a reference chart. This slide shows another example: the Dry Eye-Related Quality of Life Score, DEQS, questionnaire. The Standard Patient Evaluation of Eye Dryness, SPEED, questionnaire is another widely used tool. It has 3 sections: whether 4 specific symptoms were present at the visit, within the past 72 hours, or during the past 3 months, the frequency of those symptoms, and the severity of those symptoms. The 5-Item Dry Eye Questionnaire, DEQ5, is a quick and easy tool commonly used to assess DED symptoms. This slide contains references for further reading.